Ready?
Okay.
ఇప్పుడు
Hello guys. So welcome back to Aws Creation. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disassemble our laptop. In general cases, why should I mention this is for this time. For any hardware components or for any hardware components in the sense, for example, a noise of fan or a RAM beeping sound. In that cases, we just take care of for our laptop. So we need to disassemble and arrange it. That much of capability we should have. So in this time, I will show you how to disassemble our laptop. Just look at here. Just look at here. First of all, unscrew the everything. Every screw is stripping, right? Just unscrew all and remove your battery, which was placed here. Remove your battery. At the same time, this is my DVD drive. It looks like here. So place this. Now this is my back stand or back panel. So let me fetch out this. So what's this? This is my panel, back panel, and have a look here. So actually for my laptop is getting problem with fan. This was just making somewhat noise. So let me do somewhat what's it called issue. So look at here, this is my hard drive, and also that my RAM slots maintaining DDR3. So this is my Dolby audio, which was adjusted of edges. And coming to this is my fan. So I'm getting somewhat noise, right? So let me take it out this fan, and how to remove this. In this time also, here some screws I'm already unscrewed all, and just slot it out. Make sure that please maintain a neat place, because of every screw is important for basing the panel. So here I open out my fan, and guys, just look at here, my fan having so much of dust. Even the computer or laptop, whatever, the fan must contain somewhat dust because of our environment like that, right? So okay, it's working now. But because of getting sound here, my upper what's this called upper object is just touching to the fan. In that case, the fan is making somewhat noises. So I have fixed this. Okay, right now it's just look forward. Okay, so now okay, I fixed it all over it. So according to the shape of the screw nudges, we just place it there. I have to place it like that. So okay guys, that's all. So this is the video only for replacing the fan, and fan doesn't have any function or doesn't have any operation, just the simple hardware, just for what the fan is fixed here means for making the processor cool. Okay, to preventing the hotness of a processor. So the fan was placed here. So that's all. And back over. Okay, let me show you whether my lappy is on or not, switch on or not. place your battery like this. Okay, right, please be careful, right, because of it is too, what's that called, delicate, right? Okay, I plug to my battery socket. Just look at off my screen. Yeah, that's it guys. My laptop was right now working on. So regarding this, any kind of issues or any kind of problems what here, just mention below in the comment. Subscribe RC Creation. Thank you, have a nice day.